What's the meaning of atheist? Atheist. Atheist.
Atheist. Atheist. An atheist is someone who doesn't believe in the existence of any gods or deities. It's a person who doesn't follow any particular religion or belief system that acknowledges the existence of a higher power. Atheism is often associated with skepticism and rational thinking, and atheists tend to base their beliefs on empirical evidence rather than faith. Atheists can come from all walks of life and have a wide range of perspectives on morality and ethics. Ultimately, atheism is simply a lack of belief in God or gods.